The first feature we want to present you from the new release of the UByDesign app is the ability to choose between two ways of sorting items in the gallery. Until now, items were shown in the order they were added to the gallery. Now you can use the drop-down menu to sort them by number of votes. The most liked appear first. In that connection, we want to bring to your attention the fact that the gallery is meant to show only items and outfits. Please retrain from posting selfies, which obviously portray you rather than the item on you. Those shall be deleted. The next new feature is the scroll mode. You can switch it on from the drop-down menu in the Edit Outfit page. When active, a small gauge appears on Outfit Design area in the bottom right corner. When you tap on it, the edit mode changes and you can scroll the whole area. Note that you cannot interact with the outfit items when the scroll mode is active. Once you are done scrolling, tap the gauge again and you are back to the mode where you can edit items. Note that the scroll mode is automatically disabled when you close the outfit page. Last but not least, you can see a new section in the settings page. It is called General and right now contains two menus. The first one opens the YouTube playlist with video tutorials about the app. These are short videos that present various features of the app and give you useful tips on how to use UByDesign so you can get the most of it with the least possible effort. The list with tutorials is frequently updated, so make sure you check them regularly. The second new menu opens the Mail app on your phone and lets you send us an email. Your feedback, recommendations, and questions are always welcome.